welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, I am Kaya, and today I thought we'd do something very exciting because if you didn't know, we have two kittens which are just behind me, and I thought it'd be a really cool idea to DIY a cardboard box because we get a lot of cardboard boxes from stuff that we bought for the cats. And I thought we'd just make a little kitten condo. Thought that would be really cute for them because they don't really have anywhere to go upstairs. So I thought I could put it in a little corner out of the way, but they can still have somewhere to be. So yeah. So if you haven't already, please like, please comment, please subscribe down below. Check out all the links in the description, and let's get into it. So first of all. Here are the boys. They're not very obedient. This one is Mungo Jerry. This is the small one. We call him Jerry most of the time. Then this one is Rumpel Teaser. Say hello to your friends. But Teaser for short. So yeah, these are the two kittens that we are making this condo for. So I suppose we should get on with it. I'm going to try and make it into a little house. So, my theory is I'm going to put a door in it, like so, and then I'm going to fill it with blankets and toys and a puppy pad just in case. And I'm going to put some windows in it, in just tiny little windows, just because that's what they like. And then I'm going to attempt somehow to make a little house roof. I don't know how you describe it. I think that'd be quite cute as well. So I think what I'll do is move the camera and so you can see a bit more is what I'm trying to say. So you're down on my level. Well, you're actually lower than my level, but here we are. What I'm gonna do to start off with is cut a door in. So I need to think about it when they get bigger. So I think I'm going to do it quite big. Do it about here maybe. What's that? And then just stop at the bottom. And then go sideways. About the same distance. Well, that wasn't straight whatsoever. Well done me. Whilst I've done this, I've realised that there's tape still on it. I'm going to peel that off as well so that they don't get stuck in it. I'm also going to leave this as a little drawbridge door rather than taking it off because they like to shut themselves in. Believe it or not, they know how to. And here is the door. Ta-da! Definitely not going to stay, but here we are. So what I'm now going to do is turn it round and create some windows in it. I'm going to do them quite high up so that they have to lift up to try and see. And I'm going to do them, or attempt to do them, as those little four. Well, I don't know. How do you describe this? I'm just going to do it and hope for the best, basically. So here is one window. They look stupid but cute at the same time. So I'm going to now do this on this side and then do two more on the other side. So I'll just speed you up a little bit. Okay, so my windows are complete. So what I'm going to do on this side is do another window. Let's do it a bit more like a fancy window. Ta-da! I mean, it's not overly fancy, but it'll do. Now then, I'll try and work out how to do the roof. Don't tell Dom, but I've just chopped up one of his parcels so I can make 2 strips for the room. What I'm going to do is... basically just sellotape these onto here somehow. And my sellotape ran out. Bear with. I am back with more sellotape. Woohoo! What to do about these bits? I'm going to cut these up and stick them or whether to... Right, leave them or... I'll leave them as a porch, there we go. Like a little... Yeah, that's cute, okay, cool. Right. Oh, do you know what I haven't I've done? I was meant to put all the stuff in before I did that. Never mind. We'll just try and squeeze it all in. That's kind of the design done. I've got my windows, both sides. Got my window at the back. And then I've got my door. So, now what I'm going to do is put all the stuff in. Or attempt to. Okay, so inside the box, well, the condo, as it is now, I'm going to put a puppy pad, just in case they wee. I'm going to put that there. The puppy pad is in. So, next to do is the blanket. Now this is a very special blanket because this one is actually the one that I gave them when we first ever went to see them, which means the sister was on this one as well. So it does smell of this sister as well as mum and us as well. So I'm just going to pop that there and then they can just work out what they want to do with it themselves. And then what I'm going to do is this front bit has a little bit of space. So basically all I'm going to do in this bit is pop some toys in. Now, this one is yours, isn't it? Yeah. So Teaser likes this one. I think Zoe gave me this years ago. And yeah, I saved it because the kittens really liked them. I'm just going to pop that in the bed. And then this one is a little Mr. Man, which I got from a Happy Meal McDonald's. And Jerry really likes this one, so I'm going to put that one there too. Ooh, sorry bud. And then I'm going to pop a little rattly mouse in as well. Yeah? Put it in. There we go. There we go. See if he likes it. Bless you. This one or this one? This one or this one? This one or this one? Pick one. And go there. Come on now. Left or right? This one? Yeah? Cool. Right, now I'm going to make a little trail. In the hope that he actually gets there eventually. What do you think? Oh, do you know if I've spent all this time doing this and they don't like it? I'm going to cry. There he goes in. Right. Okay. I'm going to keep throwing treats in until I've got to the end of this stick. Oh my god, it's landed on his head. They're all on his back. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Look. I am a horrible cat mom, but here we are, it's fucking hilarious. Anyway, I think now they've got used to it, they quite like it. Well, at least Caesar does. I think I just threw that straight through the hole at the back. Good boy. You like your new house? Is it nice? Yeah. I'm going back in, so I hope so. So, I hope you have enjoyed seeing this video, seeing me make a little kitty condo for the kittens. And if you have, please like, please comment, please subscribe down below, and check out all the links in the description. And I shall see you very, very soon for another video. Or love. Bye! Say bye, guys. Say bye!